Hey friends, if you want to enjoy the exercise, stick around till the end of the video and hit the subscribe button below. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, and adverb itself. It often gives information on how, when, where, and to what extent something is done. She sings passionately during her concerts. The answer is passionately. The adverb passionately modifies the verb sings, indicating how she sings during her concerts. It describes the manner in which she sings, emphasizing the intensity or emotion she puts into her performance. He speaks fluently in multiple languages. The answer is fluently. The adverb fluently modifies the verb speaks, indicating how he speaks multiple languages. It describes the proficiency or ease with which he communicates in different languages. The treasure was hidden deep underground. The answer is deep. The adverb deep modifies the adjective underground, indicating the extent or depth to which the treasure was hidden. It provides additional information about the location of the treasure, emphasizing its depth beneath the surface. We searched everywhere for the missing keys. The answer is everywhere. The adverb everywhere modifies the verb searched, indicating the extent or thoroughness of the search. It describes a wide range of places where the search was conducted, emphasizing the thoroughness of the effort. They meet annually to discuss company strategy. The answer is annually. The adverb annually modifies the verb meet, indicating the frequency with which they gather. It describes how often they come together for the purpose of discussing company strategy, emphasizing that it happens once a year. The conference will begin promptly at 9 a.m. The answer is promptly. The adverb promptly modifies the verb begin, indicating the punctuality or timeliness of the start time. It describes when the conference will start, emphasizing that it will commence exactly at 9 a.m. without delay. He exercises consistently to maintain his fitness. The answer is consistently. The adverb consistently modifies the verb exercises, indicating the regularity or frequency of his workouts. It describes how often he engages in physical activity, emphasizing the continuity of his fitness. They rarely go out on weekdays due to work commitments. The answer is rarely. The adverb rarely modifies the verb phrase go out, indicating the infrequency or scarcity of their social outings. It describes how often they leave their home for leisure activities, emphasizing that it seldom occurs, particularly on weekdays. She was extremely happy with her test results. The answer is extremely. The adverb extremely modifies the adjective happy, indicating the intensity or degree of her emotion. It describes the level of her happiness, emphasizing that she felt very pleased about her test results. The storm was quite severe, causing widespread damage. The answer is quite. The adverb quite modifies the adjective severe, indicating the degree or intensity of the storm's severity. It describes the extent of the storm's harshness, emphasizing that it was fairly intense or significant in causing damage.